In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse products on Overstock. We'll start from opening the site, sign you in, and then walk through the easiest ways to find exactly what you're looking for. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Overstock. Click through to the official Overstock website. If you prefer, you can type the address directly into the address bar. A quick tip here, make sure you see the secure lock icon in your browser's address bar so you know you're on the legitimate site. Once the home page loads, look toward the top right of the page and select the account icon. This opens the account menu where you can manage your profile and orders. Next, choose Sign In. If you already have an account, you're in the right place. If you don't, you'll see options on this page to create one later, but we'll keep moving with the sign-in flow. Enter your email and your password carefully. Double check for typos and avoid using public Wi-Fi when you sign in to protect your information. If you ever forget your password, there's usually a reset link right on this screen. Go ahead and click the sign in button to continue. After a successful login, you may see a prompt that says, "Let's go shopping." Click that to head straight to the browsing experience. Now you're ready to explore. Start by scrolling down the homepage to see featured deals, new arrivals, and popular categories. This is a great way to get inspiration if you're just browsing. As you scroll, you'll notice product tiles showing images, prices, and ratings. You can click any product to view more details, read reviews, and see shipping information. If you want to keep your place while comparing, try opening items in new tabs. If you already know what you want, use the search bar at the top. Type in a specific product like queen platform bed or a broader term like area rug. Press enter to see results. From there, refine your results using the filters usually found on the left or top of the page. Narrow by price, size, color, material, brand, or customer rating to quickly zero in on the best matches. You can also change the sort option to see the newest items, best sellers, top rated products, or the best deals first. As you browse, look for helpful badges like sale tags or free shipping notes. If you're not ready to buy, many products